here 4 resistors R1, 2R1 and 2R2 resistors are connected to an op-amp. You can see that this is 20k and this is 150k. So 20k connected to terminal 2, the pin number 2 and to the ground, and this 150k pin number 3 to ground. So ground is the common point, and another 20k pin number 3 to the input point. So we will connect pin number 3 is the non-inverting input, so we will connect the input here. See, pin number 6 is the output, so a 150k connected from pin number 2 to pin number 6. So this is the output pin. Now we required a negative VCC minus 15 volt, positive VCC plus 15 volt, and its ground, common point. So this common point, this is the common point. We connected to the common point here, and the plus minus VCC. This is minus VCC. We will connect to the pin number 4. Then this is the plus VCC. We will connect to pin number 7. See, you can see this is connected to pin number 7. This is our function generator, 1 kilohertz 1 volt sine wave. We connected to the circuit, to the non-inverting terminal. Non-inverting terminal is pin number 3 through the resistor 20k, that is R1 resistor 20k through the resistor. Then the negative is the common point. We connect to the common point. This is our oscilloscope. We are using both channels. Channel 1 we will connect to the input. Channel 2 connect to the output.